So pergola size and layout. Oftentimes we're, creating some type of a dining room or that's cooking. So you've got maybe an outdoor kitchen, you've got a dining room table, and you're wanting some coverage from the sun while you're eating or prepping your food. So usually those areas are the same. They're like 16 by 20, 20 by 20. 400 square feet usually does that. If you're looking to do a dining room and maybe put a fire pit or place on the outer edge of the pergola, those are usually about the same size. A 20 by 20 area will get you a nice, layout of couch, maybe a couple chairs and a coffee table and end tables with a fireplace, or you can do, a love seat with a couple chairs. So usually I would say rule of thumb, each area in your outdoor living area, plan on at least a 20 by 20 foot by 20 foot square foot plate.